Long ago, in a dense, mysterious forest where the moonlight barely touched the ground and shadows danced like living creatures, there lived an old owl. His eyes were sharp and piercing, and all the forest creatures whispered about his wisdom. But this owl had a secret, not just wisdom, but a power to see the truth in any heart. One night, a young, fiery bird flew into the forest. His wings trembled with excitement, his eyes burning with desire to see, to feel, to conquer the night.
Oh, the stars are my playground. The wind whispers my name. I must see everything tonight,
said the passionate bird.
Little one, slow down. The night is beautiful, yes, but it also hides dangers.
Old owl, you sit in shadows while I want to fly and explore. Why wait?
Because passion without patience is like fire without control. It can burn you,
said the owl. The young bird laughed, ignoring the warning, diving between the trees.
Ha! Warnings are for the timid. Whee! This is living! Chase the lights, the lights sing me. Higher we go, what a spree! All costed. Look! The river glitters. The flowers bloom in secret. Nothing can stop me.
It's so beautiful out here.
Careful. Not all that glitters is safe. Not all that blooms is meant to be touched. Oh, little one, it could be dangerous out here. Do not rush,
said the owl. Suddenly, a shadow slithered. A snake appeared, eyes glinting with hunger.
What is that?
Freeze! One wrong move, and it's over,
said the owl. The young bird trembled. His heart had carried him too far, and his passion had blinded him. The owl swooped down, casting a shadow over the snake.
Look, little one. You are running after the world, but the real danger isn't the snake outside. It's the wild fire inside you. Be careful, or it might grow too big. Wise owl, I thought danger was out there. But it was me all along. Tell me how to live fully, yet safely. Listen carefully, little one. Life is a forest of endless wonders. Passion gives you courage, but wisdom gives you direction.
Oh, wise owl, I understand now.
Fly, fly, little wings tonight, through the moon and silver light. Twinkle, sparkle, dance so free, every star is calling me. Through the river, past the trees, whispering winds and fireflies tease. Heart so bold, magic waits in skies of blue.
So, children, passion can light your path, but wisdom must guide your wings. Desire without control is the greatest danger you will ever face. If you like the story, share it with your friends. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.